So welcome guys, welcome to today's strategy. There is a lot of money today and we're going to show you how you can do it. There's a lot of money in this strategy guys, so hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, this is going to involve some Amazon.com listings. So for example, I'm going to show you what I mean. ACX is a website where you can turn your book into an audiobook, okay? This is an exceptional opportunity for everyone guys. Your property is your voice, so you can just go and read a book and get a lot of money for it, okay? That's a nice strategy. So what you can do in here, you can just sign up now. Just click on sign up now button and of course create your Amazon account. That way you can involve yourself into these ebooks, for example, or audiobooks. And you can see guys that people have a lot of these audiobooks and they sell them for a lot of money. What you see these zeros here is what you get if you are new on here. You can just use this Audible trial, and Audible is something that is getting some money to certain people online, and you can be one of those guys, okay? You can just do some voiceovers, you can read a book and you can get money. That's all what you can get with voiceovers, okay? ACX account is what you need, and you can just go and see how it works. So if you click here, you can just click on narrator, okay? And then you will have all the necessary information what you have to go, okay? So here's how it works. Step 1, you will just have to create a profile, okay? Sign up as we've already mentioned. Step 2, upload some samples. Now you can do this from your iPhone as well, or maybe your Android device. Just make a few samples and then just upload them on ACX. Step 3, how do you want to get paid? Well, you have two options. You can choose a per finished hour rate or choose to share 50% of royalties. Now, royalties are something which is set in here. So for example, $35 is going to be this on Audible audiobook. This book is going to be $35 and you're going to get half of it, which is 17.5. That's some nice money, guys. And the best part about that is that whenever someone buys that audiobook, you get those $17. So it can happen like 10, 20, 30, 40, even 100 sales. And that is some nice money when you add those numbers up. So you can do a lot of these books. And just imagine, guys, that for example, you narrated like 10 or 20 of these books and they sell for like 5 times per day. Now you can just imagine how much money that is, guys. That's a lot of money. So step 4 is going to be audition, okay? So you can search for books you're interested in narrating and producing, and you can record a few minutes of the manuscript. Of course, you have to audition for each one of those books. And trust me, guys, the more you do it, the more experienced you get and the more easier this job gets. Step 5, accept the offer. Of course, once you get selected, you will agree to certain payout option and then you just start it. Step 6, start recording. You can just record, edit, and upload a 15-minute checkpoint of the audiobook, and then when the sample is approved, you can record the remainder of the project. That's it. Step 7, work with other studio professionals. You will have a lot of team members, okay, and they will help you all along the way. And then step 8 is going to be finish the recording. That is how easy it is to get money with ACX and Amazon.com. And of course, step 9, get paid, guys. You will get paid a lot of money when you just involve yourself, but you have to take some action, guys. Nothing is going to come on its own. You have to work for it. You have to invest your time. You have to progress. You have to make your skill higher than it is right now. And then step 10, come back for more. You will get a lot of these audiobooks, and the more you do, the more people will ask for your voice, okay? But of course, it is not the only way in which you can get some money for reading, okay? You can go on Fiverr, and if you search for voiceover, you can see that a lot of people are doing this right now. So for example, let's take this person, for example. 327 sales already happened on this gig, and he's doing it $35 each. So if you go multiply 35 times 327, you can see that this person made $11,000. Now, of course, this hasn't happened in like one day or 1 month. This is the sum of total work that this person has made, and he did a great job. You can be there one day if you just choose to start right now and if you refine your skills. This amount of money is pretty good if you ask me. Of course, guys, this is only English language on this list over here, but of course, this is not available only in English. language. You can choose German, French, Arabic, or let's just click on here, view all, and then you will see that there are a lot of these languages which you can involve yourself in. So there's Filipino, Romanian, there is Russian, Dutch, Italian, Hindi, French, whichever language you speak, guys, you can use it in order to make some money for it, okay? Wherever you live in the world, you can just use that, and you can do that in your own language, okay? That is the sweetest thing about this project, because you can do this in multiple languages, okay? And if you are maybe bilingual, if you know many languages, then you are blessed, my friend, because there are a lot of these, as you can see. So you can see Lithuanian, Finnish, Bulgarian, Serbian, Hungarian, Nigerian, whatever you want, guys. There is real good money in it. You just have to start getting that. But of course, Fiverr is not the only one. You can use peopleperhour.com. It's a nice website. You can find a lot of voiceovers here as well. And there is also upwork.com. Here is the good place, and here you don't have gigs. Here you apply yourself. And whenever someone chooses you, well, you get to go and do that voiceover. But in the end, whichever one of these you choose, you have to stick to it. And of course, you have to just be patient. And of course, you have to work for it, because nothing is going to come on its own. All these people are doing that. So that means that it is possible, okay? It is possible. This is the proof that this is possible. And all of these people have put in some work in it, and then the results come, okay? Results are gonna come if you just stick to it, and if you are consistent. If you are a hard worker, if you're consistent, you can get a lot of money, and you will be satisfied with the results. And for example, just take a look at this person, guys. He made huge amounts of money. Just take a look at this, 700 reviews. So that means that he sold this at least 700 times at $50 each. Now, that is crazy. 700 times $50, guys. Just take a look at this. This is crazy amount of money, guys. I highly suggest that you try it, simply because all this money can be yours one day, okay? One day, you're gonna be satisfied that you have started today, okay? And that's what matters. You have to start doing something. You can't just wait for the life to happen to you. You have to go and you have to try things out. If it doesn't work, you try another thing, okay? And that's how it works. If you think you've got what it takes, just go and try it, guys. You have to try it, because if you don't, you will be sorry that you didn't, okay? Go and take some action, and I'll catch you later.